blinds and curtains. Turn off all lights. They cannot see red light. Do not turn off your television. Do not listen to them. Do not go outside. If you are outside, seek shelter. If you see one, stop looking at it immediately. Do not draw attention to yourself. Continue to act normally. Pretend you did not see it. Do not stop. We do not know what they are.